We're here with Alberto Casadevall. Alberto is one of our top trial lawyers. He was born in Cuba and is fluent in Spanish. Alberto went to John Jay College of Criminal Justice and graduated in 1981, and then he graduated New York Law School in 1984 and was admitted to the bar in 1985. Alberto became a Fitzgerald lawyer in 1989. Alberto is almost always on trial with lead paint poisoning cases, construction site and all worker injury cases, cases involving landlords failing to prevent crime in their buildings, as well as auto accidents and slip and fall cases. Alberto is the #1 trial lawyer in New York in lead paint poisoning cases as measured by the sheer number of trials and verdicts he has taken on behalf of children. By our count, Alberto has taken more verdicts than all the lawyers in the next 3 law firms combined. Alberto, how did you achieve this record?
John, these are tough cases. We sue the landlords and we sue hospitals and doctors if they didn't properly conduct lead tests and instruct the mother. We are the only firm that does this as far as I know. We prepare for and are always ready for trial. If you stop taking verdicts, the insurance carriers stop paying top settlements.
The laws in New York City have changed often on lead poison cases. In most cases, when lawyers appear for trial, the judge tells them the rules to be applied. But Alberto, when you appear, the judges often ask you what laws apply.
As you know, John, sometimes the judge may only have tried 1 or 2 lead poisoning cases. There are special regulations for landlords, for doctors and hospitals, and because we're the only firm trying these cases, the judge may not be familiar with those regulations.
Alberto, tell us about one of your lead poison cases.
John, probably the Solis cases. We just didn't get money for the child. We were also awarded punitive damages against the landlord for his refusal to abate lead paint after having notice. The combined verdict was over $1 million, and every penny was upheld by the appellate division. I have been fortunate to have several 7-figure lead poisoning verdicts with a high verdict of $3,500,000.
Alberto, tell us about an injured construction worker case that you handled.
Edmundo was a painter and he fell from a height because of an improper scaffold. He had a fractured ankle, but I thought the pre-trial settlement of $951,000 was a good result.